Welcome to Product Critique, where we take a close look at the best tools to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the Orion MotorTech Harmonic Balancer Puller Kit, widely considered the best crankshaft pulley removal tool available. If you're a car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, you'll know the importance of having the right tools for the job. So, let's get into why this Harmonic Balancer Puller should be your go-to option when dealing with balancers and pulleys. First, let's talk about what makes this tool stand out. The Orion MotorTech Harmonic Balancer Puller Kit is designed for quick and easy removal of pressed-on balancers. Its clever design saves you valuable time, as you no longer need to disassemble the radiator to get to the balancer. Instead, this puller allows you to remove the harmonic balancer with a single center retainer bolt, which simplifies the whole process. The kit comes with a 3-jaw puller that ensures a firm and secure grip on the harmonic balancer, giving you complete control over the task. It's equipped with a push bolt that fits a 24mm hex drive and a 3/8 square drive tool, which makes centering up the rods a breeze. The set also includes 4 forcing rods, ranging from 4 inches to 7.5, to make sure you can tackle a variety of jobs without any issues. Another feature that sets this kit apart is its wide compatibility. Whether you're working on vehicles from Cadillac, Chevrolet, Chrysler, Ford, GM, or Mitsubishi, this harmonic balancer puller has you covered. It's suitable for dampers and balancers from a wide range of vehicles, including Cadillacs from 1988 onwards, Chevrolet trucks from 2003, and Fords since 1995. With all that compatibility, this kit ensures you're ready for anything. Let's also discuss its durability. Every part of this tool is made from structural-grade IC1045 medium carbon steel, ensuring superior strength that can withstand tough tasks. The parts are coated with a cataphoretic electro-coating to provide corrosion-resistant protection, making it a reliable tool that will last for years to come. Storage is never an issue with this puller kit. It comes in a rugged, blow-molded case that keeps all the parts neatly organized and easy to transport between jobs. No more hunting for missing parts in your toolbox. Everything is kept in place and ready for use when you need it. To wrap up, the Orion MotorTech Harmonic Balancer Puller Kit is a must-have for anyone working with crankshaft pulleys and harmonic balancers. Its design, ease of use, and compatibility make it a top choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more reviews, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy wrenching!